today you're going to be working on your data displays. Everybody has the data display for their group, so you've already chosen those. In front of you there is some information on our MSA scores. Your instructions today are to think about how you can display some of this information using the data display that you've chosen, okay? So you have 10 minutes to come up with a working plan for me on a separate sheet of paper. I'm going to be circulating to see how you're doing. As soon as you have a plan in place for what you're going to put on your poster, then I'll get your poster to you and your markers. Okay? So go ahead and get started. But right now, so how much information can be shown on a picture?
Only you can't show. You can't show.
So I'm hearing that you're choosing one good phone. Okay.
Or you start at 200 because that's basically okay.
Now how are you going to remember what's basic, what's official, what's
Don't you have like a key for pictogram?
Okay, should I ask you to have a key? Do we have to have a key for pictogram?
Yeah.
Okay, so come up with a key.
So you like 8 equals yada yada.
Basic is 3 is 0. No.
So line graph. What is a line graph look like?
Basic is
What's special about a line graph?
Basic was the red.
2011.
I mean, connect the dots.
These are
Okay, what did you say?
No.
She's saying that
Like, how would you tell what's basic? Those are
they're dots.
but those are dark.
What else? The line graph. Line graph.
The white the lighter was under that. So basic.
Let's do 2009. The data is
Basic.
Okay. It's showing when the data increases.
No, I can understand this is basic and this is basic.
Right, it shows data change over time. So what we have here is we have some different time frames, right? We have 2009, 2010, and 2011.
So
you
the
can do something.
time change will go at the bottom like that.
Okay. I think that's a good plan. Grid paper. Sketch out what you want to do here, and then when we do the final, I'll see if we can get grid paper. Okay.
Okay, well I think that.
All right. What's our plan over here? Got it.
Right here. 30 and 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're just going to keep going until we get to the highest score, which is
89.
So you said you're looking at fast 2 scores and you're going to compare boys and girls? Okay. So when we do scatter plots, what was the example that we used for scatter plots?
wait, go to the back. The scatter plot for it.
I want to plot a relationship between someone's height and their shoe size.
Okay. So what was special about that example? You're comparing 2 things, but those 2 things are connected in some way, right? Because they're the same person. So in this example, when you're looking at boys and girls, are you necessarily getting a different? Are you necessarily comparing the same person, just different parts about them, or are you comparing 2 different scores completely?
2 different scores.
We're comparing the scores.
Yeah, but you're comparing 2 different ones. So can you think of a relationship between 2 different things, maybe for the same person though?
The same gender. Like companion.
Can we do like boy, fast 2, fast?
Okay, so I think that might work. So if you look at each person, like they have a fast 2 score of 82, but then they have a MSA score in 2011 of 441, and then probably like that.
So we would put like numbers like this, and I just come with
That's something you can do. Yep, that will work. How are you guys doing? What's your plan? Okay.
And then we're gonna separate each side. We're gonna put the girls on the right and then the boys on the left, and then come out with who's going out of that. We're gonna find like me.
Oh, so you're gonna go a step further. You're gonna say you're gonna make your back-to-back stimulus pie, and then you're gonna go an extra step and
Yes.
tell me.
And then find the medium mode. Yeah, every can break.
Okay, good. Okay. Sounds like a good plan. Go ahead and draft. You're just drafting it.
Don't forget the key.
All right. What's your draft? You're doing a line plot? Okay.
So you should have 3.
That doesn't make sense.
Okay. You guys working together? Yes. So when we look at line plots, what was when we do line plots, is that a categorical type of graph or is that a numerical type of graph? It's numerical. So when it's numerical, that means that you're gonna have what's gonna be on your bottom axis. Yeah.
Oh, we could
So you can.
we could have put the numbers up there and the numbers up for
Okay.
like some number.
Because we was doing it like this.
You can make you can make numbers down there. So, yeah, I hear. So I was saying what Danny just said was that when we do line plots, since she knew that line plot was a numerical type of graph, then she was saying that maybe we should have numbers on the bottom axis. And so I think that's why Jasmine's adjusting right now. Right? So you have numbers and then you put the number of x's for each number.